Let's go ahead and take a scrolling screenshot on your iPhone. The most common example where you want to use this is a website. I was looking up springs for my garage door yesterday because my garage door spring blew up. So I got to buy new ones of those. But if I wanted to take a screenshot of this page, I just tap the volume up and volume down button. The screenshot is going to be saved automatically to my photos, or I can just tap it, draw stuff on it, and then just tap that check mark, save to photos, and it's going to be saved to photos. However, if I do that again, volume up, action button, takes a screenshot, tap on it to open it, here we have a toggle that you might not have seen a second ago. One is screen, one is full page. And this is a screenshot of the whole page. So every time I take a screenshot, by default, it screenshots the whole page. Then you have to go in here and choose which one you want. So let's tap yes to that and save to photos. And let's see the fruits of our labor. Go into our Photos app. And we see just the screenshot here. It's just one page high and just like a regular screenshot. Then we see the long one, and it's super long. So we got to zoom in, and then we can scroll up and down the entire thing because it screenshot the entire website. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know. If you want to scam proof your phone, this is what you need right here. It's a free PDF I created for you. You can download it by scanning this QR code or clicking the link in the top of the description or the pinned comment. They all go to the same place where you can download this for free and scam proof your phone right away. And if you want to find out if your iPhone is tracking you and spying on what you do, then this video is for you. It shows you where all the tracking settings are and how to turn them off if you want to. So check that out next, and I'll see you there.